Alien spaceship discovered in Kuiper belt. There happens to be a number of rumors on the internet about alien spaceships being visible in the night sky. People have claimed that they have seen alien UFOs and spaceships in the night sky, though most of them have been falsely claimed. There happens to be recent news that claims that an alien spaceship was discovered. But where was this spaceship discovered? Who found it? Is this proof of alien existence? Continue watching the video till the end to know more. Hey everyone, and welcome back to yet another video from our channel. We hope you guys are doing extremely well. In this video, we will be talking about the alien spaceship that was discovered in the Kuiper belt. We will be diving deep into every aspect of this news. So if you are new to this channel, then make sure to hit the subscribe button. Now without any further ado, let's hop right into the video. When it comes to searching for ET, current efforts have been almost exclusively placed in picking up a radio signal, just a small portion of the electromagnetic spectrum. Consider for a moment just how much lighting we here on Earth produce and how our night side might appear as viewed from a telescope on another planet. If we can assume that alternate civilizations would evolve enjoying their natural lighting, wouldn't it be plausible to also assume they might develop artificial lighting sources as well? As of now, astronomers are able to measure the orbital parameters of Kuiper belt objects, KBOs, with the greatest of precision by their observed flux and computing their changing orbital distances. Our civilization uses two basic classes of illumination: thermal, incandescent light bulbs, and quantum, light-emitting diodes, LEDs, and fluorescent lamps. Abraham Loeb and Edwin L. Turner writes in their paper, such artificial light sources have different spectral properties than sunlight. The spectra of artificial lights on distant objects would likely distinguish them from natural illumination sources, since such emission would be exceptionally rare in the natural thermodynamic conditions present on the surface of relatively cold objects. Therefore, artificial illumination may serve as a lamppost which signals the existence of extraterrestrial technologies and thus civilizations. Spotting this illumination difference in the optical band would be tricky, but by calculating the observed flux from solar illumination on Kuiper belt objects with a typical albedo, the team is confident that existing telescopes and surveys could detect the artificial light from a reasonably brightly illuminated region, roughly the size of a terrestrial city, located on a KBO. Even though the light signature would be weaker, it would still carry the dead giveaway, the spectral signature. However, we currently don't expect there to be any civilizations at the edge of our solar system, as it is dark and cold out there. But Loeb has posed that possibly planets ejected from other parent stars in our galaxy may have traveled to the edge of our solar system and ended up residing there. Whether a civilization would survive an ejection event from their parent system and then put up lampposts is up for debate, however. The team isn't suggesting that any random light source detected where there should be darkness might be considered a sign of life, though. There are many factors which could contribute to illumination, such as viewing angle, backscattering, surface shadowing, outgassing, rotation, surface albedo variations, and more. This is just a suggestion and a new way of looking at things, as well as suggested exercises for future telescopes and studying exoplanets. City lights would be easier to detect on a planet which was left in the dark of a formerly habitable zone after its host star turned into a faint white dwarf. Loeb and Turner say the related civilization will need to survive the intermediate red giant phase of its star. If it does, separating its artificial light from the natural light of a white dwarf would be much easier than for the original star, both spectroscopically and in total brightness. The next generation of optical and space-based telescopes could help to refine the search process when observing extrasolar planets, and preliminary broadband photometric detection could be improved through the use of narrowband filters, which are tuned to the spectral features of artificial light sources such as light-emitting diodes. While such a scenario on a distant world would need to involve far more light pollution than even we produce, why rule it out? The method opens up a new window in the search for extraterrestrial civilizations. Loeb and Turner write, the search can be extended beyond the solar system with next-generation telescopes on the ground and in space, which would be capable of detecting phase modulation due to very strong artificial illumination on the night side of planets as they orbit their parent stars. Do you think that the presence of another civilization is possible? Can aliens really exist? Could this pose a threat to our current civilization? Let us know your thoughts on this in the comment section down below. We would love to get to know your perspective on this matter. We are planning to make another video on the aforesaid topics, so stay tuned. Well, that brings us to the end of this video. We hope you've enjoyed watching it. If you've loved the video, then do make sure to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button too. Don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss another update from our channel. With that being said, let's meet in another one of such awesome videos. Until then, see ya!